Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Melrose Hill bypass, which is a part of the Highway 2000 network. Now I want to ask you guys a question. I want to talk to you about the toll for the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now I want to ask a question. Why doesn't this government give the building of the road to China Harbour Engineering Company? Let them build out the rest of Highway 2000. Let them pay for the building of the road. And let China Harbour Engineering Company collect the toll via a concession. Now, as you know, there's no toll being collected on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000, or more specific, the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000. That's because Trans-Jamaica Highway has the concession to collect the toll on that section of the road. But Trans-Jamaica Highway never paid to build the road. So this government has deviated, and this is the JLP we're talking about now on the Andrew Holness, have deviated from the original plan of building these toll roads. All the other toll roads have been built by a foreign company or by a company, let's just say they were built by a company who paid to build the road and then were given the concession or the right to collect toll on the road to pay back for the building of the road. So why did they change it? Now, Trans-Jamaica Highway does not want to pay for the cost of the road and then collect the toll. They don't want to do it. Okay, great. The government should never have gone that route to begin with. But what's done is done. So no toll is being collected on that section of the road. But the time has now come for the government to take the concession and give it to another company. Now, this road needs to be built, the highway. Now, let's talk about this highway. From Williamsfield to Hodges, and then from Hodges to Montego Bay, and then from Hodges to Negril. That road needs to be built. Also, another highway is being built from Miami Bay to Trelawney on the north coast. All these roads are toll roads. So, I'm asking you guys, let me know what you think about this idea. Give the building of those roads to China Harbour Engineering Company. Let them spend the 800 million US, the 1 billion US, whatever it will cost. Let them pay the cost and then give them the concession to collect the toll on the highway to pay back for building the road. Now, Highway 2000 North-South leg costs 800 million US to build. That is the road from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Do you know how much the Jamaican government paid for to build that road? $0. China Harbour Engineering Company built the road. The government gave them a 50-year concession to collect toll on the road. You could even give them a revenue guarantee so that if you don't collect the toll, X amount of toll in X year, the government will pay the difference. The government spent $0 on that road. China Harbour Engineering Company spent let's just call it 1 billion US dollars to build that road. Market, they were given some land as an incentive. Not a problem. They built the road. The road is up and running and it's an excellent road. So why not go to China Harbour Engineering Company and say, build the road from Williamsfield to Hodges, Hodges to Montego Bay, and then Hodges to Negril, all at the same time, because China Harbour Engineering Company can do it. Now, those roads probably would cost about $1 billion US, which China Harbour Engineering Company can easily easily pay. That is nothing for them. They are one of the largest construction companies in the world. Give them a revenue guarantee, because guess what? The road will be used. All of the existing toll roads in Jamaica make money. The one from Kingston to Maypen makes millions of US dollars in profit every year. So to extend that road to Montego Bay and Negril, it's going to be profitable. And to sweeten the deal, give them a revenue guarantee. But we need the roads built, and I don't understand why the Jamaican government took 188 million US and built the road from Maypen to Williamsfield, and now they cannot work out an agreement with Trans Jamaica Highway. That road also should have been built by China Harbour Engineering Company. They need to take the concession away from Trans Jamaica Highway for any section of the road that they do not pay to build the road. The government made a huge mistake when they did that Maypen to Williamsfield Highway without working out the concession agreement with Trans Jamaica Highway before they did it. Right now, nobody is collecting toll on the road because the government paid to build the road, but Trans Jamaica Highway has a concession. But we need these future sections built, and you could even take the concession away from China Harbour, from Trans Jamaica, and give it China Harbour and say, you can collect the toll on this road to pay for the building of the road. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.